Good morning, guys. Mark here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars, DIYs, and basically anything car related, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. On today's video, a lot of you guys are asking how to clean your AC system. I actually have a couple of videos already cleaning the air conditioning unit using a chemical, the cabin filter, the AC blower, the chemical that you use to insert in the vent that actually reaches the evaporator. So it cleans the evaporator at the same time. But of course, it's not that thorough comparing to cleaning the evaporator using water. So today I'm gonna show you guys on how to clean the evaporator without removing the dashboard. Alright, so for today you just need basic stuff. Hose with running water, a piece of cloth where you can lie down, a spray bottle which has dishwashing soap and some water, and that's actually optional. The drain pan, that's actually just for demonstration purposes. I'm gonna put that underneath the air conditioning system drain and show you what are the things coming out after cleaning the aircon. Okay, guys, so first thing that you would want to do is to um, go underneath the passenger side of your car and look for the terminal that supplies power to the temperature sensor of your evaporator, which would be this one. Okay, so it is being locked by a pressure lock, and just press that bad boy and should be removed. That's actually just a safety precaution since we will be uh, dealing with water. So, as most of you guys know, water is the enemy of any electronic or electrical system. After removing the power for your temperature sensor, we now then remove the temperature sensor itself, which would be this one. You just need to turn it counterclockwise like that, and then gently, okay, gently pull it out. Okay, like that. All right, so after removing the temperature sensor, okay, all you need to do now is there should be a hole. Um, you should see a hole right there. Okay, let me just set the sensor aside because we don't want to get that wet.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after setting aside the temperature sensor, all you need to do is just using first your spray bottle, insert the nozzle on the hole like that and fire away. So you might want to move it in all direction just to be sure that we got the whole evaporator covered with dishwashing liquid. Or you can use the chemical. You can use the chemical of what do you call this? The aircon cleaner. You can use that one. So I used one sachet of dishwashing soap or liquid. This is 500 ml. Okay, so I used half of the bottle. I will let it soak for about 3 minutes before rinsing it out with water. I'm gonna show you guys what are the things that will come out on the drain hose or drain plug of the air conditioning unit.
Eventually.
Alright guys, so this is what I got after rinsing the first application of the dishwashing soap. You can see I actually have like molds and fine dust that came out from the evaporator. So I'm gonna rinse it a couple of more times until I only see clear water coming out of the drain drain hose. Okay, so cleaning and rinsing part one, I do believe is a success. Um, Remember, we only used half of the um, dishwashing soap, so I'll be using the other half. I'll be using the other half for um, cleaning part two. And you can see, guys, that it's working. The first rinse actually removed majority of the chunks, huge chunks that is stuck inside the evaporator. I'm actually just resting because this is a tight space to work with. So point it um, uh, up front so you'll reach the coils of the evaporator. So same process, we're gonna wait 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes to have that dishwashing liquid do its magic. Okay guys, so this would be um, rinsing part two. And we just look for the hole. So rinsing part two, guys. Let's see if we can get more out of this rinse. So I'm just making her. I'll just let it run for a few minutes.
A few moments later.
And this is what we got for rinse number 2. As you can see, there's really not much debris that came along with the rinsing. So I'm gonna rinse it maybe 2 more times, and we'll test it. Okay. Okay. So done with the rinsing, guys. I actually rinsed mine 4 times. Uh, so time to put everything back together. Which is very straightforward. I'm just making sure that everything's dry. Okay. First thing that will be returning would be the temperature sensor for the air conditioning unit. Okay. And now would be the terminal, which is this. All right. So once that's in, there's really nothing much that needs to be done. We just need to test it. Okay, so time to test the air conditioning system, guys. And let's switch this bad boy on. Ha! Smells fresh, guys. It smells like dishwashing soap. So I've actually been using the Mr. Mechanic when cleaning my air conditioning evaporator. Before, I sprayed the Mr. Mechanic directly to the hole until it's filled with foam, and then I rinse it with water. So I do that every 6 months, guys. And the air is very, very cold, guys. It's warm right now, as you can see. It's 11:40 in the afternoon. It smells fresh, guys. It's really cold. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick what's the temperature inside the cabin. As you can see, guys, as I just turned that on, fan is at number 2. Let me switch off the flash here. So the temperature inside the cabin is at 26.8. Okay. Understandable, because we just started the air conditioning system, and the temperature inside the cabin is a bit hot. And 3 minutes has passed. As you can see, the engine is still cold. The temperature now is 23.7, guys. Oh, make it 4 minutes. It just turned 44. So we started the engine at 11:40, turned on the AC. The temperature is at 26.8 a while ago, but now it's 23.7, guys. So it's really cold. Given that I haven't stepped, because I'm on the passenger side, guys. I haven't stepped on the gas yet. If this is running, my temperature inside the cabin reaches about 21, 22 degrees. So it's really, really cold, guys. So our engine just reached the optimum temperature. Temperature is still at 23.7. All right, guys. So that actually concludes the DIY for the evaporator without removing the dashboard. You can see it's really effective. We removed a lot of debris from the evaporator itself. Temperature is really, really cold. It went from 26.8 to 23.7 under 4 minutes. Okay, so that's really impressive. And also, guys, if you're gonna do this, please be careful with the temperature sensor. That's very, very, very sensitive. Okay. Again, this is Mark. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated on my latest video. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. See you on the next vlog.